Although blenders are often associated with making smoothies, they're versatile and practical tools in any chef's kitchen. The best blenders can help with all kinds of recipes, from silky pureed soups and smoothies to spreads and frozen drinks like slushies. Features like a two-piece lid, a tamper, and a wide range of speed settings also help make the blender versatile enough for any recipe. In addition, good blenders are not extremely loud and do not make cleaning difficult. Today, we'll talk about the best blenders on the current market. Let's dive in. Kicking off our review journey, let's dive into the Ninja Professional Blender, crowned as the best bang for your buck blender in 2024. This powerhouse stands out with its generous 72-ounce pitcher and robust performance. During our test, it whipped up silky milkshakes and velvety soups that flowed smoothly through a fine sieve, showcasing its blending prowess. Although it may not boast the plethora of presets or adjustable settings seen in other models from Ninja, its high-speed capability efficiently pulverizes ingredients into perfect consistency. Caution is advised when handling the ultra-sharp, multi-pronged blade during cleanup, but you'll be relieved to know that the detachable parts are all dishwasher-friendly. Equipped with a 1,000-watt motor, this blender fearlessly takes on ice and smoothies alike. It's designed with user-friendly features without breaking the bank. Among these is an ingeniously designed lid with a flip-up spout, ensuring mess-free pours from the sizable pitcher, a boon for both soup and milkshake lovers. The pitcher itself is conveniently graduated in cups and ounces, catering to precise recipe measurements. The base and handle feature a non-slip design for secure operation, whether it's stationed on your countertop or in your hands during pouring, while the control panel opts for simplicity with a cleanable surface and straightforward settings like low, medium, high, power, and pulse. It gets the job done effectively. Additionally, its total crushing technology stands out, boasting blades that effortlessly blitz through ice, fruits, and veggies in mere moments. A definite thumbs up from us. Diving into our next review, we spotlight the Nutribullet Pro 900, a standout choice for those seeking a compact yet powerful blender in 2024. This personal blender comes equipped with two 32-ounce jars complete with convenient to-go lids, making it perfect for individuals or small servings. The design is straightforward, eliminating the need for complicated buttons or settings. Simply attach the jar to the base to start blending. While the jars and lids are a breeze to clean in the dishwasher, the blades require a bit more attention with hand washing. The Nutribullet Pro 900 shines when it comes to whipping up smoothies. Despite its compact size, it effortlessly blends fruits and vegetables into a perfectly smooth concoction, even when filled to the brim. The package includes an impressive 15 pieces, a 32-ounce cup, two 24-ounce cups, an 18-ounce cup, two blade attachments, and various lids for on-the-go convenience. This selection offers a bit more variety compared to the original Nutribullet model. Powered by a robust 900-watt motor, the Nutribullet Pro 900 employs specialized extraction blades and a unique cyclonic action to pulverize whole fruits and vegetables better than traditional blenders or juicers, delivering silky smooth beverages every time. It's an ideal match for those leading an active lifestyle and prioritizing their health, providing an easy way to prepare nutrient-rich smoothies at home or on the move. Not only is the Nutribullet Pro 900 compact and easy to set up on any countertop, but its components are also simple to clean, either under the tap or in the dishwasher. Additionally, it includes access to a recipe site with over 700 smoothie recipes and direct contact with registered dietitians. Good stuff! Meet the KitchenAid K400, our top pick for the best mid-range blender of 2024. This robust KitchenAid model is an all-rounder, blending style with performance that's suitable even for professional use. Its substantial design includes a generous 56-ounce jar, enabling the preparation of sizable batches of smoothies or soup in one go. The K400 stands out for versatility, adeptly handling both icy concoctions and hot mixtures, swiftly turning cubes into bar-quality ice. While the jar's lid might pose some cleaning challenges, the good news is that both the jar and lid are designed to withstand dishwasher cleaning. The KitchenAid K400 excels in various culinary tasks. Whether you're aiming for velvety smoothies, hearty soups, or savory sauces, this blender manages it all with ease. It can produce fine, snow-like crushed ice and handle hot ingredients without a hitch. Crafting smooth, spreadable nut butter is possible, though it may require a bit more effort. The blender simplifies operation with straightforward presets for ice crushing, smoothies, and ice beverages. A quick cycle with soap and water activates its self-cleaning feature, leaving no residue in those tricky spots. We're fans of its elegant design, which is complemented by a selection of vibrant colors to match any kitchen aesthetic. The front panel features a prominent silver dial, allowing easy switching between blending modes with a simple turn and press of the adjacent on button. Beyond the basic pulse function, the KitchenAid K400 offers 5 speed settings and 3 preset options for crushed ice, iced drinks, and smoothies, not forgetting the handy self-cleaning function. Its prowess in making smoothies is unmatched. It delivers flawlessly blended frozen fruit and milk within about 45 seconds on the smoothie setting. The blender also impresses with its quick and efficient ice crushing capability. Definitely a product worth celebrating. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. If you're in the market for a top-tier blender that combines professional-grade performance with sleek design, the Breville Super Q is what you need. This premium blender is a powerhouse, perfect for those who enjoy crafting restaurant-quality smoothies right at home. Notably, it comes with a convenient personal blending cup complete with a travel lid, ideal for smoothies on the move. During evaluations, its 12 speed settings and various preset options, including those for crushed ice and smoothies, showcase its versatility and efficiency. The device excelled in producing fine, velvety blends, particularly with its specialized setting for green smoothies that effectively processed leafy greens. The Breville Super Q is designed to cater to the needs of larger households or anyone looking to prepare big batches of their favorite concoctions. Standing at a height of approximately 18.1 inches, it commands kitchen space with its presence. Beyond its size, it boasts the highest motor power in its class, with an 1800-watt motor delivering blade speeds of up to 186 miles per hour under load, ensuring quick and consistent results. Adding to its appeal, the Super Q features an additional blade system tailored for use with a personal blender cup, enabling you to blend and go or tackle smaller tasks with ease. Its smart-based technology automatically adjusts to optimize performance, whether you're using the full-size 68-ounce jug or the personal cup. Moreover, this blender incorporates noise reduction technology, offering powerful blending capabilities without the usual racket. This innovative cooling system ensures quieter operation, making the Super Q a more pleasant addition to any kitchen environment. With its unmatched power, versatility, and thoughtful design aimed at enhancing user experience, the Breville Super Q is not just a blender, it's an investment in quality that comes highly recommended. And introducing the champion of our 2024 blender lineup, the Vitamix 5200, securing its place as the best overall blender. This model shines in the realm of smoothie making, offering superior performance without the hefty price tag of its more feature-rich counterparts. Compared to models like the Vitamix A3500, the 5200's slimmer pitcher design is a game-changer, especially when working with fibrous ingredients for those personal-sized smoothies or protein shakes. It also simplifies tasks such as nut butter preparation, making it a versatile kitchen companion. The Vitamix 5200 has earned its stripes in numerous professional settings, from bustling kitchens to busy juice bars, thanks to its reliability and durability. Vitamix stands behind this model with a 7-year warranty, promising immediate replacement if the motor fails. The design of its jar is strategic. Its tall and slender shape creates a powerful vortex that ensures ingredients are thoroughly blended, resulting in effortlessly smooth textures, whether you're making smoothies, soups, purees, or nut butters. Simplicity is the key with the 5200, featuring a straightforward 10-speed control without preset programs. This might seem minimalistic, but it encourages users to discover the ideal speeds for various recipes through hands-on experience. For added safety, the Vitamix 5200 includes an automatic shutoff function to prevent motor overload and a slow start feature that minimizes mess when blending hot soups by gradually building up speed. The durability of this blender is underscored by its aircraft-grade stainless steel blades, capable of tackling the toughest ingredients to deliver consistent results every time. With the Vitamix 5200, you're not just purchasing a blender, you're investing in a lasting kitchen essential that elevates your culinary creations. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best. You got it.